Hey y'all, I'm Lauren and I'm here with my friends Andrew and Mary, and we get asked from the community all the time, what kind of equipment do I need to have the most optimal setup for Well, we want to show you today, going from the smallest, easiest setup to something that's a little bit more permanent and advanced. Y'all ready to do this?
Let's do it.
All right, to the Bat Cave. Hey y'all, I want to show you how to get the most out of for the least amount of effort. So right now, I'm sitting in front of a window in front of my natural background. No green screen required. I have my laptop propped up on some books, and I popped on my HD webcam. All I gotta do, pop in my headphones and get to recording. And that's it, you're ready to go.
Hey, I'm Mary. Let me show you my setup. I live in a small San Francisco flat with a family, so I need something that gives me lots of polish, but that's easy to fold up at the end of the day. Let me show you. So first I use this roll-up green screen that's really easy to pop up, but I can also store under my bed. And even though I use natural light, I also always fill it in with a plug-in lamp that can give added brightness. I also use an HD webcam that's really easy to just pop on the top of my laptop. And my favorite piece of equipment is this tripod standing desk. So I can look directly in the camera, give myself plenty of space for my green screen behind me. And now I'm ready to hit record.
And last but not least, let me show you an advanced option for setting up your home studio if you just want to have something that's always in place and you don't want to break it down every day. Here I've got an HD camera that's actually a mirrorless camera. I've got it on a tripod. I've got an auxiliary light that I've plugged in to give me fill light off of the window light that I have off to the side. And then up here, I've got my microphone on a boom stand, which is actually off the camera and allows me to sort of articulate my words without having to be specifically looking at the camera. And when I'm ready to present, I've got this clicker so that I can make dynamic presentations using my hand and not being tethered to a keyboard. So now I'm ready to present. Hey everyone, we hope this has been helpful. Good luck getting your home studio set up, dialed in and ready to go. And one last important thing to remember, we believe in you. You got this. Best of luck and thanks for watching.